One of the largest cities in the world is New York City, which is always a storm of tourist activity. Some people come here to enjoy the Broadway show, while others come specifically to shop and eat, and many come to see the historical and unique places in the world, such as the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building, the Brooklyn Bridge, the Central Park Historic Neighborhood, and the many world-famous museums. Some of the new tourist attractions that have opened up in New York in recent years, such as the High Line and the One World Observatory, offer a unique view of the city. There are countless places to watch in New York at any time of the year and at any time of the day or night. So, like the video and subscribe to the channel before further discussion. The Statue of Liberty tops the list of everything to see in New York. It was a gift from France to the United States. Built in 1886, it is considered by Americans to be a world symbol of freedom and holds a high position in the United States. It is one of the giant statues in the world. It stands just 152 feet below the base of torch and weighs about 4,450,000 pounds, especially from the southern tip of Manhattan. You can see the statue with great views. However, the best way to truly appreciate the Statue of Liberty is to take a boat trip to Liberty Island and see it up close. While touring the Statue of Liberty, you also have the opportunity to visit Alice, stop inland and visit the Immigration Museum. This fantastic museum is housed in the historic Immigration Station complex and was home to the most significant number of illegal immigrants to the United States. Whether walking, cycling, or driving at Central Park's crossroads, this is a must-have for any New York City traveler. This massive park in the middle of the city, half a mile wide and 2.5 miles long, is one of the things that makes New York a beautiful and capable city. In addition to being a great place to experience a little bit of nature, Central Park has many attractions within its boundaries. The most popular places to visit in this beautiful park in New York are Belvedere Castle, Strawberry Fields, Central Park Zoo, and Lake. When it comes to New York's attractions, Rockefeller Center is one of the most popular tourist attractions. Located in the heart of Manhattan, this vast entertainment and shopping complex is considered a hub for NBC TV and other media, but its central location is the 70-story Rockefeller Plaza. The building's indoor and outdoor sites offer spectacular views day or night. The Metropolitan Museum of Art is a popular tourist destination in New York City that attracts millions of tourists each year. It was founded in 1870 and is one of the most famous museums in the United States. The museum's permanent collection includes more than 2 million works of art spanning 5,000 years. The group's highlights have American decorative arts weapons and old-fashioned costumes, Egyptian art, musical instruments, and images. Met Clusters, located in Fort Trent Park, Manhattan, is another of New York's most famous museums, and this branch of the Metropolitan Museum of Art is housing in a fine structure. Make sure you visit the museum during your visit. Attending the Broadway show in New York City is one of the first activities of a tourist. It is considered one of the most important venues in the American theater and is the place to watch the latest shows and old classics. Broadway usually means live from the Broadway theater. Rebuild your memories. It is not like we told you everything about New York City, because there are so many beautiful places in New York City that it was hard for us to cover them all in one video. If you guys wanted to watch part 2 on New York City, be sure to let us know in the comments box so my team and I can share your unique search with you guys.